You can divide complex plot equally in just one time in AutoCAD by fixed percentage, by custom area, or equal division, including detailed, accurate table, all in one time. In this video, I will show you how to divide this complex plot equally in one time. Okay, let this YQ Prime plugin in AutoCAD Pro Plot Division. Equal parts we want 4. Okay, we want to divide equally 4 parts. Display unit area, square meter, square feet, you are getting 5 unit. Cut angle, we need vertical, plot division direction, right? Coordinates, hatching, text scale, okay. Once you okay, click over the plot. Now you see here, all the plot perfectly got divided in 4 equal segments, equally, all in one time, with complete running length in feet and property in square meter and in square feet each. And click here to get your table. Now you see here, you are getting each plot division in square meter, percentage, square feet, and coordinates for each plot. So detailed, accurate, perfect plot division all in one time. Same as it is, we want to divide by fixed area. You can type ERX also. Let this custom area, okay. Number of plot division, how much you want. So let this 3, we want to divide into 3 equal parts. Rest everything same. Select your plot. Okay, once you select, it will show you total area. Okay, so now input your custom area. First, second, and third will catch automatically. Okay, and now you are getting like this. To get your complete comprehensive table, and click here to get your table. And same as it is, you want by fixed percentage. Okay, let this percentage, rest everything same, direction right, plot division will keep 4. We want to divide 4 equal parts by percentage. Okay, okay, and just click over the plot. Remaining 100% it's showing. Now provide first division percentage, second, third, fourth will count automatically. Okay, now you see here, you are getting 4 division as per provided percentage for each plot. Okay, and now click here to get your comprehensive table. So this way, using this powerful tool YQ Prime Pro Plot Division, you can perfectly divide your plot with multiple options. You will get detailed coordinates, perfect plot division with 100% precision. You can download this powerful tool. Check out the link below.